how to create a zoom burst effect line design like this in Illustrator. I'm using a script. Now the script will be in the description, please download that. Also there'll be details about the variables used for this effect because of course literally thousands of other effects could be generated using this script. This is for PC or Mac. Here's the JavaScript file. It's fairly straightforward. You can edit it at any time, just go through it. Obviously if you put extreme values, it will slow the machine down, it will cause issues. So be careful. You could put number of pass 6 million and then obviously it's just going to go off and try and do 6 million and those sort of things. You've got start point and I'm setting to 500 minus 500. You can vary it, just change it. Also the horizontal and vertical, that's going to be the distance. I'll probably be changing that in future versions. However, you've got number of pass, random strokes, you can recolor it. So you could different colours, also random widths as well. There's a variety of things you can do with it and I will be adding additional features over time. So what I'm going to do, just going to run it. So how to run it, go over here to File and down to Scripts and then Other Script. Unless of course you've got it in the scripting presets. Generally I always have it in my desktop. So just going to select it here, JS file, click open. And there it is. That's the end result. You can see design, lots and lots of lines, all coming from that central position. And they're all using 1 point. Now you can see here you've got a fill. You can just set that to nothing. It's a line. There's no fill to it at all. You can set the colour here. I've got it as black. That was the initial colour. But you can set it to red or green. You don't have to keep it like that. Also you can just select. There's obviously yellow. You can select individual ones if you wish as well. So you can just go select there, maybe a couple of lines and change the colour. So you don't have to keep it all there. You can keep it maybe green or blue. And you can create a variety of different designs using this approach. However, I'm not going to go with that. I'm going to go with that and I'm going to expand it. They're basic lines. You can move them, reposition them, tweak them, do all the things you could do with normal Illustrator lines. However, what you can do, you can also expand them. So go over here to Object and down to Expand. Expand, I'm going to go with Fill and Stroke there, set, and click OK. So now we've got, they're no longer lines. You can see, obviously you've got here, no stroke attached with it, but you've got a fill. So you can modify the fill colour if you want to change the colour. However, now what you can do is you can use Pathfinder. So you can resize it, all those sort of things, but you can also use Pathfinder. Just click there and that will join the entire thing together into a single path. So now instead of 250 or whatever lines, you just got one solid path. Also what you can do, just go over here and I'm just going to select the ellipse tool and apply it on top. Just drag on top and reposition it at the center. And once you've done that, select all of that and then you just use here Pathfinder again, window menu and Pathfinder. Select there and you can create a nice hollow there. So you can create a variety of designs. It doesn't have to be obviously just like that. It could be a square or star design, etc. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Please download the file. It's available via the description. You've got all the various details about the parameters. However, in future versions, there may be additional parameters because I might change it and add lots more features. So, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.